There is the story of gunmen who barged into a church service threatening to kill anyone who did not leave immediately. Overcome by fear, most of the congregation bolted. Only a handful stayed put. The gunmen commended them for their faith and left. Zechariah is in God's presence in the Holy of Holies, yet the appearance of the angel Gabriel frightens him. He is hesitant even to believe Gabriel's message. On the other hand, Zora's wife takes the appearance of her angelic visitor calmly and accepts his message gratefully. When faced with the unknown, fear often assails us. The strength of our faith and trust in God is manifested by how quickly we recover. As children of a loving God, it is crystal clear that He wants only the best for us and that He will carry us safely through His plan and mission for us. The comforting statement, "Do not be afraid," and similar ones appears innumerable times in Scripture. We could take such exhortations as God's loving reminders to us to trust Him no matter what. He gives us confidence that He will carry us on His shoulders every day. We need not fear the challenges of our lives as we journey towards our cherished goal, eternity with Him. Fruit. Our loving God's reassuring message is, "Do not be afraid." So I will never fear to do what is right.